Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this mask spin on CapCut. So for this edit, you need to prepare two clips and import it to CapCut like this and make one of the clip as overlay. So I'm going to click on the second clip and go to the overlay button, this one. And after that you can go to the start or the beginning of the uh, overlay clip, and then here go to mask and then add a keyframe. Select the horizontal and add a keyframe. Then you can just move forward and rotate the masking to your liking. You can just do it like this. So you can rotate it to how you like it, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.